Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's newspaper of Monday, April the 8th, 2024. Yes, it's a half year ago. Another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel against Hamas. Exactly 184 days. Yes, it's a filthy war. Yes, a filthy war. Enough about the war. Let me continue with this puzzle, the Four Stars puzzle number 8. 3, 2, 5. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has not 24 printed digits. Usually, the Four Stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. Not this one, 28 printed digits. Wow. One more than the previous Sudoku. So it should be a 0 stars. 0 stars. 14 or 13 minutes. Need to be faster. But it's indicated with 4 stars. So 4 stars. So for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? Well, how about the 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above, from that row. Only place level 2 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place level 7 should be there. Alright. Now. 4 and 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers now. In this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 5, 5. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Okay. 8. Well. How about 7. Let me think. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. No 5 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 5, 6. Well, need a 7 there. 5, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. Only place level 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. Alright. And now. 5, 5. Well. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well. Two, 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 two. Well, we have a pair, I believe. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row. Third row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in that box. So 2 boxes left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So we have a 2 and a 5 in this column, 2 and a 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 2. Well. 5 in this row. Last row. 5 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 5. Alright. And now, I need a 1 here. Then 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. One must 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes and there. 2 numbers left in the last column. One must 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes and there. Then, let me see. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Then, 1 here. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Okay. 9 and a 3. 9 and a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Need a 3 here, need a 1 here. 1, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place left with 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square from 1 to 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square from 1 to 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. So, let me see. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 9. We have 3 and a 9 in the third column, so no 3 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the middle, second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, and the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, not quite a good indication. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.